guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this flash velocity video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to the part where he starts dancing, which is here, and I'm going to split that. And on the part where he's dancing, I'm going to go to speed, normal, and I'm going to put it at 0.5x speed, and I'm going to select smooth slow-mo, and I'm going to check optical flow. Then I am going to add in the same clip like here, right click and separate audio and use that audio. Select the one that you added smooth slow-mo, right click and then select create compound clip. Select the audio and you're going to add in auto beats and you're going to select beats too. Then you are going to start like maybe here and then like skip a beat. And then you're going to split it, and on that clip you're going to want to go to curve and you're going to add in flash in. Again, go to beat, skip a beat, go to the next beat, split it, go to the clip and add in a flash in. And you're going to do that with all of your clips. So on the third one you're going to split it and add the flash in on the curve speed. And I'm just going to quickly try to do that. It is actually pretty simple to do. You are going to have the ends a little cut off because it's just the way it is. And I'm trying to do it as fast as I can, but you get the point. You're going to do it till you run out of your videos and you run out of beats. Now to add the flash, I'm just going to mute this for now. You're going to go to library and add in this white stock video on top. Adjust it, go to blend mode, select overlay, and kind of adjust it so it's not too long. In the middle, add in a keyframe, and at the beginning, add a keyframe as well. And put it at 0%, and here at the end just put it at 0% as well. Then you're just going to copy and paste that and put it in the middle of it, make sure the keyframe is kind of at the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect, but at least try. Like here and here. And that's basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!